The era of complimentary maintenance visits that used to make purchasing new vehicles all the more sweet is coming to an end, with Hyundai the most recent manufacturer to eliminate such perks. The automaker has confirmed that its complimentary 3-year maintenance policy, a feature that has been at the heart of the brand's appeal since the 2020 model year, will not be included on any of the vehicles manufactured for 2026 and beyond in the United States. Introduced as a buyer incentive and ownership comfort measure, Hyundai's free maintenance program has provided customers with 3 years or 36,000 miles of no-cost maintenance. This covered essential services such as oil changes, oil filter replacements, tire rotations, and multi-point inspections, key components in keeping a vehicle healthy during its early life. However, with changing economic realities and mounting costs, the brand has made the strategic decision to phase out the program. It followed a memo to Hyundai dealerships, wherein the reason why the process was gradually being phased out was explained as a matter of financial viability. The bulletin stated that the cost of the program rose to unsustainable levels, and the brand therefore opted to reassess its method of after-sales service. The action is part of an industry trend whereby free service programs are being replaced by fee-based plans, partly because of inflation, higher-priced services, and refocusing towards maximizing profit on non-vehicle business pipelines. For buyers planning to shop for a car, including a Hyundai model in the upcoming period, the 2025 model year is the final opportunity to benefit from the free maintenance program. Those purchased before the cutoff date will remain within the full 3-year or 36,000-mile timeline, and existing contracts will remain valid. The result is a brief window of opportunity for customers who want to take advantage of the leftover privileges before they are no longer available on dealership lots. In the future, Hyundai isn't leaving dealerships entirely out on a limb. Rather than a no-charge approach, Hyundai is introducing an alternative format: the prepaid maintenance program. Future strategy will be divided into 2 service levels: prepaid basic maintenance and prepaid scheduled maintenance, targeted to control customer needs in check while having dealership service operations busy and lucrative. The basic maintenance plan will pay for regular items such as oil changes and tire rotations. The more comprehensive scheduled maintenance plan, however, will pay for all of the maintenance items recommended in the owner's manual. The plan is created to provide customers with flexibility and peace of mind, along with a more profitable and stable service experience for the brand. Prices of such plans have yet to be announced. Nevertheless, Hyundai has indicated that pre-booking of a plan would be made available at a discounted cost. This is so as to keep customers in the service chains that have been authorized and to avoid diversion of work on services to third-party repair shops that typically do not carry original parts and trained company-specific people. The demise of free maintenance won't elicit a big outcry, but is a value proposition Hyundai offers to consumers. The free program that came with the launch of the brand helped build trust and loyalty with new buyers by ensuring early maintenance was no longer a concern, thus offering peace of mind for consumers. Budget-conscious consumers might have had the choice lean towards them when the free maintenance was offered while shopping around in similar price ranges. Since prices on vehicles continue to rise and terms on loans become longer, consumers desire not only competitive pricing, but the guarantee of long-term savings. A free maintenance program, although relatively small in the overall picture of ownership, was promising and saving on out-of-pocket expenses up front. Now, with the elimination of this comfort, consumers may need to more realistically factor in total cost of ownership into the decision to buy a Hyundai. For the automaker itself, the shift can be a more reliable and lucrative model for service. By getting customers to prepay for service in its new multi-tiered packages, dealerships are shielded to a greater degree from unpredictable service volume in the future. Owners, in turn, are locked into brand-defined service systems, strengthening loyalty on the part of the customer to the brand over the long term. The action also reflects a broader trend across the car industry. In recent years, several manufacturers have eliminated free bonus features that once helped differentiate their offerings in a competitive market. With margins under pressure and after-sales growing more critical to the bottom line, increasingly more marques are considering how to leverage post-purchase servicing without alienating their customer base. While Hyundai's reputation for value and reliability remains strong, the removal of complimentary maintenance from 2026 models may influence some consumers to reevaluate their choices. Brands that continue to offer such benefits, whether temporarily or as part of a loyalty initiative, might gain an edge, especially among buyers who prioritize cost certainty. Even so, Hyundai's approach is not without merit. By offering flexible prepaid options and discounts, the brand is attempting to maintain a balance between customer satisfaction and financial viability. For owners who prefer dealer-serviced vehicles with genuine parts and certified technicians, these plans may offer worthwhile savings when compared to a la carte service pricing. Finally, the ruling points to a new face of car ownership. With more connected and technologically sophisticated vehicles, service shops have an expanded role, not just in repair, but in software maintenance, in diagnosis, and in management of the vehicle overall. Prepaid plans make it easier for both sides of a transaction, which brings predictability on both sides and makes it easier to enter long-term obligation. In the meantime, buyers who are interested in securing Hyundai's last wave of free maintenance perks would be wise to act before 2026 models arrive on showroom floors. With automotive costs continuing to climb, even modest savings on early service can contribute meaningfully to a lower total cost of ownership. Hyundai's shift from a complimentary model to a prepaid system reflects broader economic realities, a maturing customer base, and a more strategic approach to customer lifecycle management. As the auto industry continues to evolve, expect more brands to follow similar paths, prioritizing profitability while still trying to deliver value in a way that aligns with today's market demands. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all our latest content. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. And of course, stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you next time.